to try opening the window, but he fails and hurts his finger in the process. Later during group therapy, Jack shares a story about his mother's sickness and how they operated on her brain multiple times. His hand keeps on bleeding and soon Loomis falls to his knees and starts twitching while staring at the blood. The nurse tells him to return to his seat, but instead Loomis jumps on Jack while another patient with white eyes licks the blood on the floor. Chaos erupts as the guys fight and the nurse takes out her panic button, but before she can press it Loomis bites her hand to stop her. Charles arrives and tases Loomis to knock him out, then the nurse sends everyone to their rooms as she announces another lockdown. Jack and Dave agree that Loomis wanted Jack's blood, which means Orpheum isn't just a treatment. Afterward Jack requests a meeting with Janetti and asks him to get his letter from his apartment. They do find the letter, however the paper is empty except for a couple of words. Jack freaks out and accuses Janetti of playing a trick on him while swearing he isn't crazy, but Janetti just orders Charles to take Jack to maximum security. Jack yells and struggles all the way there to no avail. The other patients yell at him in return and Mark reminds him he wants revenge. Many hours pass and Jack feels like he's going actually crazy. When Janetti comes to check on him, Jack goes back to pretending he's insane and apologizes for his outburst earlier, so he's allowed to go back to the psychiatric ward. In the afternoon, Jack asks Dave to teach him to sneak around like he does to steal medicine because he wants to investigate Orpheum, but Dave refuses. That night, Jack gets out of his room and is startled by Dave. He's changed his mind and agrees to show Jack how to sneak around, but he won't go with him upstairs. The duo carefully moves through the facility while avoiding Charles and Dave shows Jack how to get into an office, where Dave steals medicine while Jack checks the desk and steals a security card. At that moment Charles comes in, but the duo manages to hide just in time. Charles looks around and quickly leaves. Afterward Jack uses the security card to open the door and go upstairs. Charles is distracted on the phone and isn't looking at the security cameras, so Jack easily keeps moving around without getting caught. Eventually he makes it to the solitary ward and checks the window on every room, getting startled by the strong reactions from the crazy people. A few doors later he finds Lily, who apologizes